3 fashion commandments that every woman should swear by?
Appropriate footwear, appropriate in terms of weather and occasion and place. Please, no open-toed sandals at the workplace. I'm a big sort of very old-fashioned that way.
But they're back in fashion apparently.
No, I'm my mother-in-law's daughter-in-law. I will, you know, raised by a convent, you know, you don't want
Acha, okay, okay, footwear.
Yeah. Footwear
Acha.
and also winter wear, footwear is different. It is different.
Different.
Yes.
Okay. And any designers in particular that you're really agreeing with these days, people you're not agreeing with?
So locally, I think the fabric game is winning because a lot of good brands are taking care of the handloom के और handloom में भी by the way वो दो किस्म की चीजें हैं ना जिसके अंदर वो कपड़ा वॉश में जाए और उसके बाद वो फिर लगे नहीं नया. Locally fabric is winning. Cuts पे बहुत काम होने वाला हो रहा है क्योंकि वो cuts जो हैं वो सिर्फ shoots पे अच्छे लग रहे हैं and वो पर्पस पूरा नहीं कर रहे हैं. अगर इतनी बड़ी स्लीव है और यहाँ तक वो ढीला है तो क्या मैंने उसके ऊपर कोट पहनना है या उसके नीचे एक हाई नेक स्वेटर पहनना है? ठीक है. और एक सर्टेन तबके डेमोग्राफिक तबका गलत है, डेमोग्राफिक ऑफ एज एंड you know, women will just not feel so cool about putting on a jumper under.
So we had a request from one of our audience members as well. They wanted to know some brands that you would recommend internationally as well. Like remember we were discussing the plain white t-shirt that you can wear in multiple ways, some ideas and tips you can give.
शायद लोगों को अच्छा ना लगे लेकिन मैं वो फास्ट फैशन वाली जो ब्रांड्स हैं उनके नाम इसलिए लूँगी क्योंकि वो कुछ कपड़ों में इस तरह की बाय द वे टैग का ख्याल रखा करें, देखा करें. वो आता है एक टैग जिसके ऊपर सस्टेनेबिलिटी की अब चीज़ें लिखी हुई हैं, लेबर प्रैक्टिसेस की बातें हुई हुई हैं. हाई स्ट्रीट ब्रांड्स का एक फ़ायदा ये है कि वो फ़ौरन से ट्रेंड कॉपी करते हैं फ्रॉम द you know and they also have staples. तो मैं ये कहूँगी कि जो चीज़ें मेरे पास हैं वो साल चल रही हैं. H&M I'm a little impartial towards because something, I mean, if it was...
But you know, they are also picking up stuff from Balenciaga.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So that's what I'm saying. Like, you know, the cut and at the price point that I'm able to get it, लेकिन उसके में धुल के वो t-shirt, धुल के वो blazers, and the only thing that has gone out is कि वो थोड़े से tailored थे, अब जरा androgynous. I love what you're wearing.
Thank you. Achha, so speaking of what I'm wearing as well, I'm a woman who's very athletic, right? I play tennis, I do yoga, I'm a mom.
Good.
And you know, I don't like to dress up. As much as it looks like I do, but I don't. I make an effort for the show. But अगर आप मुझे घर में देखेंगे तो मेरी cap होएगी, tracks होंगे, joggers होंगे.
You got to own it. That is a very conscious fit. वो जो तुम कह रही हो ना कि तुमने jogger पहने हुए and it looks like you're not dressed.
हाँ, my mother's always telling me, she's like, I can't believe तुम इतने कपड़े खरीदती हो और हमेशा ऐसे बन के मेरे साथ निकलती हो.
तो एक काम कर सकते हैं.
So what do girls like that do?
So what do they do? If अगर कोई ऐसी चीज पड़ी हुई है लेकिन उसका print अच्छा लगता है लेकिन उसका कट नहीं अच्छा लगता तो उसको छोटी सी कोई क्रॉप टूनिक बना लो जो कि तुम अपनी डेली वेयर की फिट के साथ यूज कर सको. एंड डू लुक एट इट ऑब्जेक्टिवली कि क्या ये मैंने you know, am I going to wear it? Am I going to revisit it? कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो कि आपके कुछ print हैं. I don't do geometric prints.
I don't do prints either. Yeah.
I do prints good, well, but जब वो जो paisleys, I'm very traditional when it comes to prints. So I don't do modern prints.
We love paisleys. Yeah.
So but again, एक दिन can we go to your wardrobe?
Yes, sure. Come.
Okay.
Please come and help me declutter it as well. Actually, no. I'm also very functional. कि एक white t-shirt मैं tracks के साथ भी पहन लूँगी, blazer के साथ भी पहन लूँगी.
If you have a good white t-shirt, then it can go a long way. Yes.
अच्छा, one more question that we had was कौन से cuts आजकल popular हैं और क्या animal print अभी भी fashion में है?
अच्छा, so cuts में the best thing is कि अब ये जो androgynous जिसको कहने लगे हैं कि जो के jacket.
Androgynous जरा समझा दो.
Androgynous कहते हैं वो ऐसी चीज जो बिल्कुल जनाना सेक्शन में भी ना लगी हो और नहीं ये दोनों के लिए काम करती है. जो जनाना में भी ना लगी हो और जो मर्दाना में भी ना लगी हो. Can I say something which might, so you know, somebody else will be coming on the show.
Yes.
And somebody who I actively, you know, push his boundaries into, and he lets me. So I managed to find this most amazing Uniqlo jacket, which he doesn't know.
Uniqlo is a good brand.
He doesn't know it, but it was hanging in the women's section. But I just kind of told him, "ये पहन के देखो अच्छी लग रही है या मैं रख लूँ?" No. So no, but you know he loves it. He loves it because वो androgynous खाली इसलिए नहीं है कि तुमने मर्दाना कोट पहना है. Androgynous is also to be a cut that you might think is also of the women's rack.
Yeah.
But so this is so interesting now.
Very interesting. अच्छा मैंने मर्दाना सेक्शन से जाके कपड़े उठाए हैं बिला झिझक. I didn't know you would do that for your husband.
Some braver brands are doing it locally. पता नहीं Yeah, locally भी कुर्ता जो chapter 2 is doing amazing.
Chapter 2 is great, and by the way, I love wearing these Madana kurtas, जिसके side पे क्या होते हैं, खीसे कहते हैं उसको.
वो भाई, you need pockets. I think somewhere along the line they decided कि ख़वातीन का जो fashion है उसको functional नहीं होना है. West से जो चीज़ हम borrow कर सकते हैं वो ये कर सकते हैं कि जैसे layering में coats हैं, we need to make our clothes functional.
अच्छा, अब one more thing जल्दी से, animal print के बारे में क्या?
Okay, so I don't.
People think they're very tacky also.
No. So animal print का ये है कि उसमें जो ज़ात of कपड़ा and the color जिसके साथ उसको neutral अच्छा किया जा रहा है ना वो, it is always going to be a popular fashion choice. I mean, it's like the punk rock का, you know. But for a lot of people in the West, trends में animal print is a neutral. मेरे लिए animal print, I've realized कि I can do a snake print shoe, but वो भी एक muted color में. But the thing that, you know, I was looking, I was like, यार मेरे पास क्या है?
Interesting how you said camo. Snake print.
For me, it's
camo.
Camo is my neutral animal print.
Same.
So I have, and there was a time when Maheen Khan did something.
Yes.
Then, so there's just anything camo. I kind of feel like, is this my green? Is this my khaki? Is this my blue? I even have navy blue.
Yeah, camo. Absolutely. So, camo is great, guys, and camo basically, हम camo को और कौन सा print बोल सकते हैं?
वो जो जी army वाला print नहीं होता जो, लेकिन ख्याल रखिएगा.
और लड़कियां भी पहन सकती हैं. I wear the same white T-shirt with my army pants, camo print. Cargo pants. And guys, आप लोग animal print भी पहन सकते हैं. And by the way, year of the snake.
एक चीज़ कह दूं कि कुछ ममालिक हैं जिसके अंदर आप कैमो नहीं पहन के जा सकते. कुछ अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज हैं, केनिया वाज वन ऑफ देम. हाँ, इट्स अ लिटिल सेंसिटिव बिकॉज़ दे, सो प्लीज जस्ट डू योर रिसर्च व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग.
ऑफ कोर्स, मेक्स सेंस.
मुझे पकड़ा दें कि डॉक्टर मिजाजी ने कहा था कैमो पहन ले.
अच्छा, and what about neons as well? Is it just for parties?
No, I recently got myself this most cuddly, fluffy neon green.
Oh,
you know,
love it.
And I love it. I wanted to bring it to Karachi. Shukar hai maine like, because the people I'm staying with feel like isko kitni sardi lagti hai.
Yeah.
But yeah, neon is a favorite. And neon ke saath ab log ye kar rahe hain कि neon ke saath grey pair कर रहे हैं, even under something like this.
White.
तो अच्छा एक चीज़ है कि ब्लैक के साथ एक हम लोग उस स्कूल ऑफ थॉट के कलर ना डालें, लेकिन अभी कुछ बोल्डर चॉइसेस आ रही हैं. आई डोंट थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू गेट ऑन दैट ट्रेंड. आई लाइक ब्लैक with neutral like this.
It's like imagine wearing this with a red T-shirt. I don't think so.
Because what that
Yellow
you
maybe.
could imagine wearing a red T-shirt with a dark brown suit or even a purple suit, because उसमें क्या होता है?
Red maybe with a beige.
नहीं. So
really?
कलर जब दो कलर व्हील जो है जब उसके अंदर हम देखते हैं तो अगर आपको लग रहा है ना इस कलर में बहुत तेजपन है, उसको ऑरेंज एंड रेड go so well
with everything. Acha, tell us some combinations. Mariam, from the top of your head, tell us some combinations.
A recent combination.
I'd like you to break it down for age groups as well. 20 to 30s utha lo, 30 to 40.
I'm not going to be ageist. I think you can get away with it. The color ki tone matters also. Zaat of kapda matters.
ठीक है.
So 20s to age को नहीं कर रहे. क्योंकि age में वाकई मैंने देखा, I know these older women who are taking such bolder choices. I think you become more. I think women become more like a fine.
Yeah, they become bolder when they become
I can't do it.
Aging like fine wine, I think we can
say it.
It's
so I have become better with color. I've really embraced the colors. So something like putting two bold colors together. Sometimes
like yellow and
येलो का जो कलर व्हील के ऊपर है, सो येलो एंड टर्कोइज और येलो एंड देखिए हमारे पास तो कलर का जो प्रिंट्स आते हैं उसमें इतना मजे का आ जाता है. येलो एंड ऑरेंज लुक्स रियली गुड टुगेदर. आई डोंट डू येलो एंड ब्राउन, बट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल चूज टू डू दैट.
Yeah, I don't know if I dig that either. Yellow and black maybe.
Yes, that's becoming
okay. And what about burgundy with what?
Burgundy with dark brown, chocolate brown, burgundy with navy.
Burgundy
so
with
navy. Surprising combination. I do that at work a lot.
ठीक है.